Hello. Hello.
Hello. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, bye. Someone else is...
Hello.
Walk away and see what he does. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, hello. Bounce up and down.
Hello. No.
Hello.
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 Bird.
Hey, pretty.
Hello.
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 She said that he would fall in love with you, that he only likes men, not women.
Hello. No, not goodbye. No. You got goodbye down pat.
He probably wants the women to get the heck out of here so he can have you.
That's why I said as long as everybody walks out, you learn how to say that. He's like, oh, another person's meeting me. Hello.
Say hello, not goodbye. I like when he dances with his head feathers up.
Hello. Hey, bird.
Say hello.
Hello.
What does it mean? You're working that thing up there, aren't you?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
That boy, he tries to bite.
She said he loves men, not women. That I shouldn't touch him.
Have a nice one. Thank you.
Walk away, BJ, and see if he says goodbye. Hello. No, hello. He's a pretty boy. No, we're not going nowhere.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Say hello, dance. He's like, what do you want me to do? Say hello, goodbye, or dance?